Que lo pisaste. What the heck is that? Okay. 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 We're gonna wait until the tornado comes, okay? What? What? I told you. What? What happened to it? They should have checked it first. Huh? What?
What? That's so weird.
What happened? Oh no, what happened? Oh, there's a lot of wind. What should we do? Let's go check. What's that? Cisco, come! There's a tornado.
Cisco.
What happened to the siren again?
Cisco. Cisco.
Ugh, I need to go back to the house. There's thunderstorm and tornado warning.
Cisco. Bye.
Oh, look at the tornadoes there. Go inside.
Cisco.
There's a hailstorm. Hailstorm.
Cisco.
Hey,
Come on.
hey,
Bye.
you want to stay here until the tornado comes? You want a treat, Cisco? Come down! Come up here! Tornado, get out, go! What the? What happened to the door? Okay, you want to stay until the tornado hits us? Come! Let's see how the tornado looks inside. Okay, let's go. Let's just wait.